Hello everybody, it's Coach K with MajorToCareer.org. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I decided to start this YouTube channel as a way to help professionals make those valuable connections between their major to the job market. That, I must admit, can be pretty daunting. In my over 13 years of experience in higher education at over 5 different higher education institutions, as I advised and career counseled students, I realized that that was really the predicament. It was really what to do with that major once you completed it, right? And so make sure that you stay tuned to this channel for information about what to do with majors, minors, double majors, dual degrees, study abroad, fraternities, sororities, student organizations, externships, internships, masters, your PhD program, you name it. This channel is going to contain all that information. And if you think that this is useful for you or somebody else in your life, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Today, we're going to continue the AA degree series by covering what you can do with an AA degree in applied technology. If this degree is of interest to you, stay tuned. Folks, the AA degree in applied technology is designed for trade and craft professionals who have completed a certificate or substantial coursework in a trade program such as welding, plumbing, being an electrician, construction, CAD, or HVAC. And in a moment here, I'm going to share with you a snippet of the job titles you can pursue with this AA degree, so stay tuned. The first job opportunity I will talk about is that of a welder. This opportunity pays $42,490 per year and $20.43 per hour starting off. Welders create or repair metal products or goods by using heat to fuse multiple metals such as brass, stainless steel, or aluminum. Depending on what metals they're cutting and joining, welders may use a variety of different welding tools and equipment in their work. Second job title we'll talk about is that of CAD or HVAC heating, air conditioning and refrigeration mechanics and installers. This opportunity pays $48,730 per year starting out with your AA degree in applied technology with no experience, and about $23.43 per hour starting out. This is, of course, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And when you are a HVAC tech, you install, repair, and maintain various heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems, which controls the temperature and air in homes, buildings, or businesses. The final job title I will talk about, remember this is YouTube, I can only exhaust a few job titles, but in the information bar, I will have a complete list of what you can look out for once you have completed this degree. This job title is that of a plumber, which pays $55,160 per year, and as this is with no experience starting off with your AA degree, and $26.52 if it is hourly wage. This according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. It doesn't surprise me because the plumbing opportunities out there are robust. So many options. It is a useful skill set to have. This is job security. You will always need a plumber in a business, a home establishment, or entity that deals in service to people. And so this is definitely one of the job titles that you can look out for as you pursue your AA in applied technology. And so folks, thank you for watching. Remember, before you leave, if you were new, please subscribe or send this channel to somebody who might find it useful. We are going to cover lots of information about how to connect your academics to the job search process. So make sure that you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.